Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today is Foundation Friday. If you're new to my channel, every Friday I upload a new foundation video. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Turn on the notifications if you want to keep getting notified of the new foundation videos that I post. So lately it's been like a foundation Armageddon. Like every 5 seconds I go, I'm a periodically, constantly type of a refresher on Sephora and Ulta because I love makeup. I have a pure obsession with makeup. So I'm always trying to see like what's new out there, share it with you guys, play with makeup with you guys. It's like my passion, right? So I've noticed I can't even keep up now with all the foundations that are coming out because there's so many, which is fun, which is exciting because I am obsessed with new products. I love to use new products. I love to explore my old products. I'm also going to be doing a full face of nothing new type of video. Let me know down below if you guys even care about a video like that, because I want to like just go through my makeup collection. There's something on my face and it's driving me insane. I just want to go through my whole makeup collection and I want to like pull out stuff that I haven't used yet that are just randomly there, and kind of like just have a fun, like take it back in the days type of thing. The foundation that I'm going to test out today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation. They just came out with this new Radiance Foundation right here. I hope this, why doesn't it focus? It drives me insane when it doesn't focus, you guys. So it just came out with this new okay. Sorry if that scared you, because it scared the bejesus out of me. Scared the shit out of me. I try not to cuss on YouTube because you can get demonetized. This is their new foundation. It's the Conceal and Hydrate, the Radiance Foundation. They also have a matte foundation. This has hyaluronic acid in it and it's a medium to full coverage foundation. It's a liquid foundation. When I see hyaluronic acid in anything, I always get a little alarmed. I like hyaluronic acid in my skincare, but I don't like it in my makeup for some odd reason, or even in my foundation. There are some foundations that have it that doesn't bother my skin, but I often feel like when I have hyaluronic acid in my foundation, it just doesn't perform as well on me, so that's already a negative for me. Let's go into some quick details. I'm actually doing my makeup and watching the season 3 of 13 Reasons Why. Because season 2 had me lit and had me very curious and had me very emotional. So I try to like do my brows and watch a little bit of my clips because I don't get to binge watch when I want to. I should just plan a day when I binge watch a whole show, but I can't binge watch shows because it'll just drive me crazy. Like I'll get too I'll start thinking that's reality, but it's really not. So let's just look up this foundation. I'm gonna go onto Ulta's website because Makeup Revolution is always sold at Ulta. That's where I discovered them. That's how I knew they existed. Makeup Revolution is known for often doing like dupes and copycats of other foundations, other brands' makeups that they come out with, which is really good because I'm all for finding dupes and finding more affordable products. I think that's great. So this is $12, which is great. It has 16 options, 16 colors, which is not bad. They could have gone to 20, but they went to 16. It's formulated to suit every skin type and tone, but it's particularly beneficial and catered to dry skin. So the hyaluronic acid is supposed to provide all day long radiance and glow without setting into fine lines, okay, or clinging to dry patches, which is a big deal for me. Whenever I try on any foundations, if it like clings onto my dry patches or if it gunks up anywhere, it's a no-no. It's in a luxe glass bottle with a new pump applicator for added control. This foundation offers medium to full coverage. I like that it's medium to full coverage because your girl is not a medium coverage girl. I am a full coverage girl. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and test out this foundation, apply it and see how it works. So they have a pump, which is cool. I love pumps. I'm gonna shake it up because it's a hydrating foundation. Oh, I haven't primed my skin yet. So I'm just gonna use my Milk Primer. I've been using this, the Hydro Grip. This is what I've been using. Okay, so now that I have pumped, I'm gonna just go in. The color that I got is F10, and I think F10 is like a medium tan or something like that. I already think this is way too light on me, as you can see. That's a challenge because they don't have a real chart to check what's gonna work. So if you guys go into the description box, I will give you a journey, type of shade journey, where I will kind of break down what I can think that will match you if you're the same shade as me or anything else, so then you can use my shade as a reference. But F10 is a very, very light on me. But we're gonna keep going because you guys know I'll make this work. So this is actually really nice, you guys, for a hydrating foundation from Makeup Revolution. You guys know I really hated the Define one. Like, I hated it. I hated it. But this one seems to be performing a lot better, which is making me happy. The only thing is it just has such a pink undertone. It looks very gray. Even if this is a medium skin tone, this is a very gray skin tone. So I'm having a hard time with how gray it is. I mean, it looks good. The coverage is amazing. That's like pretty much full coverage. It's not as hydrating as I thought it is. Let me go wet my brush, my beauty blender. As it goes on a bit streaky, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender on this side. I feel like this formula is liquidy, so I feel like it'll go on. Ooh, that is so light. Yeah, I'm like 2 shades too light. Never do this. Embrace your color and wear your actual shade, you guys. Also, it's my fault. Did I really think I was a medium with a yellow undertone? I'm a medium dark. But it's confusing because sometimes I'll go to brands and I'll be a medium dark because I think I'm medium dark. So I'll buy a medium dark with a certain brand and it will be so dark, so orange on me. Like, it'll be like 3 shades too dark, right? And some brands I'll do medium dark, it's 2 shades too, you know, it's like it'll be 2 shades too light. Like, it's just so confusing. So medium dark is never accurate enough for me. I really need that reference chart. So now I'm gonna go in. Ooh, definitely beauty blender status. Definitely beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever you use. This foundation goes on flawless with a beauty blender. Like, goes on flawless. Like, it looks really nice, but oh god, it's so light. Sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. Usually I won't want to film when it's like such an extreme color problem. Like, it's way too light. But I'm like, you know what? I like to give you guys like the real time. Like, I don't want to like buy a foundation and then like fake it and run to get the right color. Like, I can talk about it down below. I feel like this is a community, and talking openly about how we consume products is important to me because I like to show, you know, like my journey. It's not really about perfection on my channel. It's like my journey and testing and playing with makeup, what works, what doesn't work. And it's so funny because I remember now that I did buy a F12 with the other foundations. I don't know why. So basically, if you're F12 in the other foundation, you'll be the F12 in this foundation. So whatever shade you are in the other foundation, you'll be the same shade in this foundation. So have no fear. You know, because we struggling right here. Do you guys see the difference? Woo! It's not Makeup Revolution's fault. It's what I picked. It's how I read it. I think I like rushed ordered or something. I don't know where my marbles were. I often shop late at night. I'm a midnight shopper. I'm one of those like shoppers that like order things online at night. I'm one of those people when I really shouldn't be one of those people. Okay, this is really nice. The coverage is a little bit less with the Beauty Blender. It's more medium coverage with the Beauty Blenders, but you can build it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and build it up. Oh my god, I wanna do a dupe because I just tested the Fenty one yesterday and I feel like this is almost a dupe. I'm gonna have to do a dupe alert. Like, I'm gonna have to test it out because I feel like it's pretty much a dupe. Hey guys, so I finished applying the Conceal and Hydrate foundation. And I also went in with the Conceal and Hydrate concealer that also came out with these two together. They're a combo. This concealer is bombacious. I was so shocked by how much it fudging covers. It covers so nice, and I didn't really experience any type of creasing. I really like this. Like, the hype is real with these Revolution concealers. This is pretty bomb. It's almost like Shape Tape. It reminded me a lot like Shape Tape. I don't know if the other one that they already have, if that one is similar to this one, so I should like do dupes on it, like which is better, comparison videos. This foundation has gone onto my skin, and you guys, it looks freaking flawless. For $12, I'm like, OMG, this is amazing. So far, I really like it. There's a little bit of weirdness happening on my nose. I'm gonna touch that up because I think it might be the setting powder. I think with the hydrating foundation, you really need to use light, finely milled setting powder, or maybe not using a setting powder might be better. But I do think that this is pretty good. So now, you guys, I think I want to do a dupe battle, and I want to see which one performs better. They're both like very same type of like the same type of marketing, and I am like, I want to test these out and see if these are a dupe. Can you dupe this? Can you go with this instead of this? Which is better? Comment down below if you guys want to see me do a video like that, and I could like totally do that for you guys. So I'm gonna wear this the rest of the day. I'm gonna do like a 6-hour, 7-hour wear, and see how it performs and see how it goes. So far it's looking stunning, and I'm like really liking it. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go and test this out. I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so I just got home after a long day. I forgot to literally capture a bunch of content with this foundation on. I was pretty much, guys, so I need to see myself in this mirror because I need to check this out really good. So this foundation, I've had it on for, I want to say like 6 to 7 hours, and it looks really good. The only thing is, I'm gonna say that it started to fade a bit in my chin area. I think it starts to fade in the chin area a little bit. So let's zoom in. So this is, I'm sorry for my crusty dusty lips. If you see, it started to kind of like gunk up and fade away in different areas of my skin. Oh my god, this is so up close, you guys. And my nose. Oh, and then forehead was still looking okay, but it's still like kind of seeped into my fine lines. So I think it's the height. I think it's the primer, because I'm noticing that the primer tends to do this with a lot of my foundations. I need to do like a full review on just that primer, because I'm like questioning the Hydro Grip primer now. Like, I'm trying to understand. So I'm probably going to do a dupe, like a dupe battle between the Fenty hydrating foundation and this Makeup Revolution hydrating foundation. I'm trying to see if Makeup Revolution is a dupe. As of right now, it kind of seems like a similar dupe. It seems like you can like basically maybe even just get away with this as a dupe, because the texture, the vibe looks very similar to Fenty. But I'm gonna do a side-by-side test in the next video for you guys to check it out and see if it's like legit a dupe, or you know, is it even comparable. But I think this foundation performed pretty well. I just didn't like that it faded in certain areas. Like, it's like, you see that's kind of faded. It's kind of faded over here. It's creasing. It's getting gunky. It kind of has like this weird thing. It could be also the translucent powder that I use. I'm learning that with hydrating foundation, you don't want to use a thick translucent powder. You probably want to use something that's a little bit more thinner. I should have just be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, but I don't know why I haven't been using that one. I'm just gonna say that this foundation is about a 4, and I'm gonna give it a 4 because it's $12 and it performs comparable to my $40 foundations. Like, I've had $40 foundations look like this, and I was a little bit salty over that result, because $40, it's like I want something perfect, right? But for $12, it's really decent foundation. I definitely think you should purchase it and try it out. It's definitely worth it. I'm really shocked, and I actually really like this, especially if you have dry skin. Go ahead, test it out, try it out. That concealer, you guys, that concealer is a must. That hydrating concealer is a must. Like, look at how nice my, you know, under eyes look. Like, it's really nice. It really like helped the like my bags. I always have bags underneath my eyes because I don't sleep a lot, and I literally stayed up till like 6 a.m. yesterday, and this really cured my bags. Like, you really couldn't see it. So yep, it's time to officially go to bed. It's literally 1:39 a.m. and I need to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching these foundation videos, you guys. Don't forget to comment to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and turn on the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next Foundation Friday. I love you guys so much. Bye. If you want to check out more foundations, the playlist will be down below in the description box. Bye.